What's up, everybody? It's your girl Passion Monet here again, and today I'm going to do a video that I haven't done in a long time, a hair video, and I'm going to show you some Senegalese twists crochet. Right now I'm just going to show you the hair. I got the hair off Amazon. It was 8 bundles for $28.99. It's an 18-inch, and it's like an ombre of 1B and burgundy. And this is the hair out of the package and everything. Everything came packaged pretty nicely, and it also included the latch hook for crocheting and some beads. I didn't show the beads in the video because I wasn't going to use those. And next I'm going to show my braid pattern, as you'll see later through the video, and just the whole crochet process. So if you like this video, leave a comment below. Let me know if you want to see hair videos again, and tell me what else you want to see, but I'm gonna let you all view the video, and I'll see you next time. Enjoy.
This